Good afternoon, friends. In this video, we will discuss about the nomenclature of organic compounds. Before discussion of nomenclature, first we will discuss about the classification of organic compounds. Now, organic compounds, they can be broadly divided into two categories based upon the nature of their carbon skeleton. They can be categorized as acyclic or open chain compounds, and second category is cyclic or closed chain compounds. Now first we will discuss about acyclic compounds. Acyclic or open chain compounds. Acyclic or open chain compounds, they generally contain open chain of carbon atoms in their molecules. Carbon atom may be either straight chain or branched chain. For example, normal butane. It belongs to the alkane category with formula of C4H10 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Similarly, it can be butene, 2-butene, CH3 CH CH CH3, but 2E. They are straight chain compounds. Or it can be alkyne, CH3 C it is 2-butene. So acyclic compounds, they may contain open chain carbon atoms in their molecules, or carbon chain may be either straight chain or branched chain. We have given examples of the open chain compounds like butane, 2-butene and 2-butyne, alkane, alkene and alkyne. Now, branched chain compounds, if we discuss about the butane has a formula of C4H10. Butane has a formula of C4H10. It is a open chain compound. This is an open chain compound. Now, isomer of butane is isobutane, 4 carbon atoms, but it is a branched molecule. It is isobutane, or we can say it is 2-methyl propane, or isobutane. It is a branched molecule. Similarly, for pentane, normal pentane, we can say CH3 CH2 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 CH3. That is normal pentane. but its branched chain compound is, we can say it can be 2 2 2 2 dimethyl propane. Or it can be another example is 1 2 3 that is 3 methyl but 1 ine. This is 1 2 3 4. Numbering is starting from the triple bond carbon atom, terminal carbon atom that is having triple bond. 1 2 3 4, 3 methyl but 1 ine. It is a branched compound. So first we have discussed about the acyclic or open chain compounds. Acyclic compounds, they can be open chain, they can be straight chain, or they are the branched compounds. Straight chain like normal butane, normal pentane, propane, hexane, they are the straight chain compounds. Butane, propyne, propene, pentene, they are straight chain compounds. They contain a single chain of straight chain of carbon atoms without any branching. And second category is branched chain compounds. Open chain compounds, they are also called aliphatic compounds. They are also called aliphatic compounds because earlier compound of this class, they were obtained from animal or vegetable fats. So they are called aliphatic compounds. And second category is cyclic compounds. Second category is cyclic compounds. Second category is the second category is cyclic compounds. The cyclic compounds, they contain one or more closed chains or ring of atoms in their molecules. Depending upon the constitution of the ring, they can be further divided into two categories. They contain a ring in their skeleton. They contain a ring, cyclic ring. So based upon the ring, they can be categorized into two categories. Based upon the ring, they are categorized into homocyclic or heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic or heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds, they are also called homocyclic compounds, they are also, for example, cyclopropane. Cyclopropane symbols represented by a triangle, that is CH2, CH2, CH2. It is a alicyclic compounds. Its properties resembles with the propane. Similarly, cyclobutane, we can represent it by a rectangle. CH2, 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 CH2. These are cyclobutane. Similarly, cyclopentane, we can represent it by, this is cyclopentane. Each corner is CH2, 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 CH2. These are alicyclic compounds. Similarly, cyclohexane, 6-membered ring. Cyclohexane, CH2, 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 like this. These compounds are alicyclic compounds, carbocyclic compounds. Now we will discuss about alicyclic compounds. We discuss about aromatic compounds. Second category is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Now aromatic compounds, they are a special type of cyclic. They are cyclic compounds, special type. Cyclic unsaturated compounds. Carbocyclic compounds, aromatic compounds are of two categories. Now aromatic compounds, generally simplest is benzene, formula is C6H6, or toluene. One methyl group is substituted, toluene. Then you can say nitrobenzene. This is nitro group is substituted, nitrobenzene. Then if hydroxy group is substituted, OH group is, then it is named as phenol. Then NH2 is amine, aniline, common name is aniline. And more examples like this. So they can be categorized, carbocyclic aromatic compounds, they can be categorized as benzenoid, two types, benzenoid aromatic compounds, which generally contain one or more fused or isolated benzene rings, and their functional derivative are called benzenoid. These are benzenoid aromatic compounds. One or two rings, they are single ring, they contain a single ring compound. No, two fused rings, benzene fused rings. This is naphthalene. Then anthracene, 3 rings are fused. Anthracene. And similarly, which don't contain fused rings, these are the fused rings, benzene rings. Which don't contain fused rings, like biphenyl. It is also a benzenoid aromatic compound, biphenyl, or we can say triphenyl. Okay. So these are the benzenoid compounds. They contain benzene ring in their skeleton, aromatic ring in their skeleton. And second category is of the aromatic compounds is non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. The non-benzenoid aromatic compounds which don't contain a benzene ring but instead contain other highly unsaturated rings, they are also called non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. For example, cyclopropenyl, one double bond, no more unsaturation is possible. Cyclopropenyl cation, cyclopropenyl anion. Similarly, cyclopentadienyl anion, cyclopropenyl, that is the cyclopropenyl cation, positive charge. Cyclopentadienyl anion, dienyl, that is a negative charge, so anion. These are the non-benzene. They don't contain a benzene ring like unsaturation. They are non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. The second category, this category is homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds, in which we have done alicyclic compounds. And second is the alicyclic, we have done carbocyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Now carbocyclic aromatic compounds, benzenoid aromatic compounds and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. And second category is heterocyclic compounds. Hetero means different atoms in the ring. Cyclic compounds contain one or more heteroatom, generally heteroatom in the ring, like nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur. These are heteroatoms, so they may be present in the ring. For example, that is 5-membered ring furan. It is a heterocyclic compound. Like benzene, there is pyridine. If we substitute one carbon atom with a nitrogen atom, it is called pyridine. It is a heterocyclic compound. Like pyrrole, 5-membered carbon compound with one nitrogen atom, pyrrole. More than 2 heteroatoms, like it is in nitrogen, it is imidazole ring. And further, if we change the position of nitrogen atom. It is pyrazole ring. So heterocyclic compounds which contain one heteroatom, they don't only contain carbon and hydrogen, but they also contain some heteroatom in their skeleton, and heteroatom can may be nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. So nitrogen, we have given some examples like furan, pyridine, pyrazole, imidazole, quinoline, isoquinoline, indole. They are the heterocyclic compounds. Now, heterocyclic compounds also can be categorized into alicyclic or aromatic. Alicyclic, which doesn't contain a benzene ring type unsaturation or aromaticity in their structure. For example, alicyclic heterocyclic compounds like oxirane. This is oxirane. Doesn't contain any unsaturation. Oxetane, oxetane. Similarly, oxazolone. These are alicyclic. And examples which I have given before, like furan and pyridine, pyrazole, they belong to the aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Now, above classification, we can summarize the classification of organic compounds in the form of flow chart, like organic compounds. They can be categorized into two main categories: alicyclic or open chain, and second category is cyclic or closed chain. Now, alicyclic or open chain, then cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds, they can be categorized into homocyclic or carbocyclic, and second is heterocyclic. Homocyclic can be alicyclic or aromatic. Similarly, heterocyclic aromatic can be two types: benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Heterocyclic can be alicyclic or aromatic. And alicyclic and open chain is straight chain, or branched chain. So this is the classification of the organic compounds.